Hey guys, so today we're going to clean the rust off this barrel. Unfortunately, after our test burn, it rained for about 4 days, so it's completely covered in rust, and we wanted to put a coat of paint, a high heat coat of paint on this. So I'm just going to clean all of this off and then we'll give it a nice coat of paint.
Oh,
That's going to be annoying.
but look how quick and easy that's coming off.
It's just surface rust, so most of it I think is going to rub off quite easy, but we just want to try and get it off, and then this might be a bit more of an issue to get this off.
Lay it on its side then.
Yeah, let's try that. Do I need to mount it?
Oh, you're gonna get so dirty. Why don't you try first?
I think our problem is going to be getting the bits off that haven't been burnt, the old paint.
Oh, do you absolutely have to?
Well, I'll just run the sander over it and see how we go. I'm not sure what'll happen if we put the high heat paint over this and this melts underneath that paint. It'll probably come off.
Oh, yep.
So these holes here are quite rough and they're just ripping this up, but it looks like that's going to be the best way to do it. This nice like silver underneath.
No, I never really thought about it myself.
No. Little dust so we can see. I need to try and do the top.
Watch it and cut yourself.
Yeah. I want to take my gloves off. I'm glad it's coming off like dusty.
Hmm.
So
I really thought it was going to be a much bigger job than it has presented so far.
just trying to get the dust off so we can paint. Apparently the paint doesn't need an undercoat. Let's hope it's I don't know.
Not a repeat of my project.
Yes.
So said the same.
This paint doesn't actually need an undercoat, and it doesn't try con you at the front of the can.
Well, you're not trying to polish it, so.
We do need to try remember it's a burn barrel. It's going to have a fire and wood and garden scraps in it. It's not a, what do you call it? It's not like a, what do you think call those fires on your deck? Like a fire pit.
Oh yeah.
We're not making a smokeless fire pit. So we've got this paint that we're using. It's a high temp paint. Claims to be able to withstand 540 degrees C. So we're going to give that a try. I think it's designed for stoves and barbecues.
Oh, it's windy. Like there's a breeze.
If it rains now, I'm going to be pissed. Does it look like the paint's disappearing? Where did the paint go?
It is here, but yes, it does.
Why is the paint disappearing?
I don't know, but I saw that too.
You're going to need to shake this more. It seems very thin.
I can see it.
It says it's actually, it's 100% silicone based. No man.
It is.
There were some people online that complained that when they used this brand, that the paint didn't come out the can properly. And I'm wondering if that's what's happening.
Well, I feel like it's coming out. It's just very, very light.
It's like we're only getting some paint, mostly gas, which is never a great thing.
I don't know. I can see it. I can sort of see the difference.
Let me know in the comments if I'm doing a shit job.
Well, don't waste it.
You're supposed to hold it upside down and then spray it until any gas comes out. It's supposed to like.
That's what it looked like it was doing.
That's how it's supposed to unclog the nozzle.
Oh.
I'm just saying buggered. Oh, no, thanks.
Just waited for your skin. Oh, that looks better.
When I'm painting, it's like going, it's like pulsing.
Mm.
You know what? The Candace technique actually works.
What?
Just spray and go.
Just spray and who cares?
Just go.
I'm not very good at spray painting.
Well, I'm moving the barrel because it started to rain again. She's gonna go over the same thing and make it run. It's got no runs on it.
It's so thin that usually when I do it like this it runs, and it's not even close to running.
Yeah. Gosh. Where you started from just now is good.
What are you saying I'm not doing it now?
No, but I can see thin areas.
Let us know who did a better job.
Not all of it. Cool.
It's a little bit sexy.
Does look a bit better now, doesn't it? These fronds burn really well.
How did you end up lighting it last time?
With a lighter.
Oh.
If you light the fronds, then
Okay.
it's tended to work.
Full of oil.
I'll just put these in, we'll light it, have a look how it goes, and then I'll just keep stuffing it.
Yeah. Good weather for it today. Not windy and it's not hot.
And I've made that lid now, so if it does rain this time I'm just going to close, like cap it, and then it won't get water inside it again.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. If you've watched our burn pile video, you'll see and notice that we've learned from using fuel. So Sven's just going in with a lighter this time.
Maybe, but they've been sitting out in the rain too.
Oh, I can smell something.
It's just burnt and then went out. It's trying.
Don't judge the smokeless today though, because everything is wet, so we actually are expecting quite a bit of smoke. We can see the neighbor's fire and it's very smoky, So it's just a wind-free, non-hot day, so it is the best conditions for us today.
It won't smoke once it's actually lit and burning, because then the secondary burn will actually be taking effect.
Oh.
If you
Luckily the grass is all wet.
If you compare this to another fire, there's actually still quite low smoke, but that should actually improve. So it looks like it's working pretty well at the moment. The paint, you can see where the fire is, you can see the difference in color, but it's not coming off. When we did the test burn, when the barrel was still blue, this whole area here just melted off and then rusted in the rain. So it looks like this is going to work pretty well.